Market. Market. A market is a place where people can buy and sell lots of items. The market sells fruits and flowers. Now you say market. Market. Seller. Seller. A seller is a person who gives something in return for money. I bought popcorn from the seller during the baseball game. Now you say seller. Seller. Area. Area. An area is a particular place or section. We brought our basket over to the picnic area. Now you say area. Area. Price. Price. A price tells how much something costs. I bought a teddy bear at a good price. Now you say price. Price. Ripe. Ripe. If something is ripe, it is ready to eat. The boy picked a ripe strawberry off the plant. Now you say ripe. Ripe. Rapid. Rapid. If something is rapid, it is very quick. It was a rapid ride down the first hill. Now you say rapid. Rapid. Surround. Surround. Surround means to be on all sides of something or someone. The children surround the box to see the kitten. Now you say surround. Surround. Complain. Complain. When people complain, they let others know they are unhappy about something. I complain when my mom says it's bedtime. Now you say complain. Complain. Yank. Yank. When you yank something, you give it a quick, strong pull. I yank the camp bell at lunchtime. Now you say yank. Yank. Gather. Gather. To gather objects means to pick them all up. Please gather your clothes off the floor. Now you say gather. Gather.